Ever wonder who's behind building the right product and who ensures it gets delivered on time? That's where product managers and project managers come in. They often collaborate, but their responsibilities are very different. Let's explore what sets them apart and why both roles are essential. Product A. Product is created to solve a customer's problem. Products go through a life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Examples include apps like Instagram or Spotify, tools that evolve with user needs and business strategies. Project A project is a temporary effort with a specific goal, such as creating a product, service, or result. Projects have a clear scope and defined timeline. The phases include analysis, design, development, testing, and delivery. Unlike products, projects come to an end once the goal is met. Product manager versus project manager. A product manager focuses on what to build and why. They look at market needs, user feedback, and business objectives. A project manager focuses on how and when to build it, organizing teams, managing schedules, and delivering results. Product manager responsibilities. Product managers define the product vision and roadmap, prioritize features, maximize ROI, and align the product with customer and business needs. They collaborate with marketing, sales, design, and development teams to make sure the product delivers value. Project manager responsibilities. Project managers ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. They manage scope, schedules, risks, and team coordination. Their role is to guide the team through each phase of execution while ensuring quality and client satisfaction. Tools. Product managers use product management software to define roadmaps and track features. Project managers rely on tools that monitor task completion, resource allocation, and budgets. Both tools can, and often should, be used together for seamless collaboration. Product scope versus project scope. The product scope outlines the product's features and specifications, what the product is. The project scope details the work needed to deliver the product, how it gets built. The project scope may change, but the product scope must remain aligned with user needs. Product lifecycle versus project lifecycle. Product lifecycles include development, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Project lifecycles include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. A product may span several projects, while a project is often one part of a larger product journey. How they work together. While a product manager owns the long-term vision, the project manager owns the short-term execution. The product manager says what should be built. The project manager makes sure it gets built on time and on budget. Together, they make innovation happen. Conclusion. Though they share the PM title, project and product managers serve different purposes. Product managers focus outward, on users, markets, and the future. Project managers focus inward, on process, performance, and timely delivery. When each role is clearly defined and empowered, the results are stronger products, smoother launches, and satisfied customers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content on business, leadership, and strategy.